Pupils will have their own login code to access their pupil dashboard. Let's take a look at how you can give them the access to start their learning. To download the list of your class login codes, click on My Classes on the left-hand side menu. Select your class. Here you can add pupils as needed, but don't forget your staff admin can do this by syncing with Wand to save you time. Contact us if you need support in doing this. On this page, you can select to download a spreadsheet of login codes for your class. Alternatively, you can download individual letters by selecting Print Letters. Pupils can use the QR codes on these letters to easily log into the platform and access the lesson content from home. Don't forget to contact us using the chat feature if you need some further support. You can now select the next video in the playlist or browse something different we have to offer.